And then, are we reservation holders?
Our neighbor there. And Celine.
And dirty.
Come, our tent, we're all set up.
Boys, before we go, we have to get more wood. Okay. Fishing routine.
And here's our neighbor. We go there. Hello guys. Camping is our tent to set up. Nice.
Kami maliit lang. Ayan. Uy, kakandong lang si Lisa. On ka na?
One, that's enough. Yeah, it's too big. Yeah. No, because I want to be able to...
Yeah, mag-ano sila today.
We can put the grill on.
Exactly.
Don't get hurt. Not sure.
There's one Austin down there.
What's that? Okay, I'll go through that. Ayun, dalawang tapos fishing na.
Sayang naman yung
Mga ano
Still in your eye?
po, mga one, mga ganyan.
You want a bottle of water?
Hi guys, we're finally cooking. Kami ng bangus. And Cindy.
I look different because I'm 6 years old. We stopped vlogging at 4.
Why do you have to say that? Cindy, are you worried that you look different in your YouTube channel? That's okay. Have food.
But what if they don't know it's me? It's me!
Wow.
Hi!
Are you happy, Sid?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So, ano na pala kami, we're packing up. We're done for our camping and it was so nice. Nag-enjoy yung mga bata and especially us. We just went for a fishing kanina after our breakfast and then now we're just packing up another, and it's parang uulan so it's perfect timing kaya perfect. We're done! We're going home! Ha! Perfect timing! The storm is here!